Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. So today we're going to get started with morning reading. Good morning.
The Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. The Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one indivisible.
Okay, days of the week. So today is Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. The month is May. Guys, we have one more week for school. So today is Tuesday, May the 12th, 2020. The weather today is going to be partly sunny, meaning it will be around 89 degrees. So it might be a little warm today. Remember to stay active. Exercise, and drink a lot of water. So for social skills lesson, let's continue talking about what you gave mom for Mother's Day. What did you give your mom for Mother's Day? I gave my mom a cake. What did you give her? And for today's agenda, we will be working on math. So let's work on math, take a picture, and submit it for a grade. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know or contact me. Let's begin.